Hey, good morning. It is day 2 in San Antonio, and I am not dressed for the day. I don't have makeup on or anything. I'm gonna go downstairs for breakfast. My body's on Ohio time, so it's early. I'm gonna go downstairs and get breakfast, and I'm gonna come back and get ready for the day, and we're gonna go to the Alamo. Guess where I am? I'm at the Alamo, if you couldn't tell. Like, it's so surreal to be here, so I'm excited. I have a ticket to enter the church. I'm not allowed to film in there, and then I bought an audio tour, so self-guided audio tour. So let's go check in for that now. I just left the Mission Church. I'm doing an audio tour, which you get this little, it's like a phone and an audio tour guide. And so you enter the number and it tells you the history of it. It's really, really cool. You can do it at your own pace. I don't have to be with other people, so that's cool. So this is what the church looks like from the back side of the outside. I was not allowed to film inside, but I have to tell you, that was, as a history buff, that was really cool. So here's the gift shop. We have some more grounds, and we're getting ready to go on more of the tour. Due to the historical nature, they're very concerned with moisture. So inside where I couldn't film, there was all kinds of moisture monitoring equipment. I thought that was very cool. Oh, I think I'm going the wrong way.
Okay, one landmark.
How we're gonna label it.
I got lost on my audio tour because it told me to cross the acequia, and I don't know what on earth an acequia was, but apparently it's a little irrigation system. So these are Japanese koi, they're really big.
If you want to add that to the map, it's going to be around.
It's not raising an army, that's actually made up by Alamo, it's a later story. That is how we wake up. These small kids are moving really rapidly, like the beasts that get there quickly. They go launch shells like compounds. One of the battle is about different. Those energy costs to be eliminated. There are sign targets, there are big targets by about 4 o'clock every morning. And then there's the morning.
This is a really cool place. I got the shops at River Center. It's kind of like a mall. And it's got this area through it.
On the story gauger, and you can't see the star from this angle, but the crane's waiting to pick them up and plug them in like a Lego. And when I say built, that means when they got here, they were carpeted, the pictures were hung, the rooms were painted, the beds were made, the Bible and the stand, the column, the column. Miss Congeniality, where she does the swimsuit competition, right here on that little stage right there. That's who kind of took stage in the map of San Antonio. Anybody remember that movie? You know what I remember about the movie? That they asked me to Rhode Island, what is your favorite date? The perfect cake, and she said April 26th was not too hot not to go. That's what I remember about that movie. Now straight ahead, if you like museums, if you like very, very popular, right? We used to have anywhere from 200 to 300 weddings right here. On a given Saturday, you would see actually see maybe 1 or 2 brides waiting their turn. Very popular. The roots make it shape like a heart, and that's what makes it, again, people want to get married here all the time.
So I spent all morning at the Alamo, which was amazing, by the way, and then I got some lunch and went on a cruise, and then I came back and I decided I was so tired, so I laid down for a little bit, and then I went to the pool again, and I've been up the pool in the hot tub and laid out for a little while. Yes, I put on sunblock, and now I can just go do whatever, but I like traveling by myself because I can do what I want when I want. All right, so I just had this embarrassing thing happen. I went to this like trendy bar and restaurant that's so far out of my comfort level. And it was in a really cool hotel. It looked like a tree house. It's a really cool hotel. I was taking pictures. I was trying to make it like a TikTok of, like, they had a cool fountain. I didn't realize the fountain was in a pool, and I stepped in the pool. Oh, I'm like, my foot is soaked. I'm so embarrassed. It was awful. So I hightailed it out of there. It's terrible. Yeah. Perdón. It is so loud in here. I am eating the kickoff happy hour food by myself. There weren't even any seats in the dining room. So I am in the lobby eating all by myself.
All right, guys.
Thanks so much for doing it twice.
Good. Coming up on the right-hand side to the clearing of the palm trees, my right. That's St. Joseph's Cathedral. Just a little bit.
I didn't take any video of the river walk at night, so you kind of get this little glimpse. I went and bought this giant smart water for $5 because they only had Dasani. I'm not trusting Dasani. And I met a cute guy with a dog in the convenience store. So win-win.